Friends, do you remember that situation when you really wanted to make that sale? You were desperate to make that sale and you wanted to convince this customer somehow. In this kind of a situation, you were actually doing the hard selling and somehow you wanted to corner your prospect. Did you get that sale? No, because the reality is different. In this kind of a situation, you really need to do just opposite. Instead of trying to convince your customer to buy, you must tell him very politely how your product or your service could add value and benefit the prospect. It is always better to make your prospect talk and you answers to his concerns which he is raising. It is not a good approach that you do all the talking and expect the prospect to agree with what you say. Selling is not about ensuring that the prospect sees your viewpoint. Rather, it is about you seeing the prospect's viewpoint and accordingly propose your solutions. As a salesperson, it is not your role that you find out the shortcomings of the prospect. Rather, you need to encourage a dialogue, a proper discussion so that the prospect can reach to making the buying decision. And the prospect must get convinced that he is dealing with an intelligent salesperson and dealing with the right company and making the decision to buy the right product. So just to summarize, next time you are desperate about making the sale, never try to convince the customer the hard way. Rather, initiate a proper dialogue with him. Friends, if you like the content of this video, make sure that you share this with your network friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also email your questions to us so that we'll be able to answer them in our next video. Thank you very much.